So this is the review of the Marlon Carry-On. What you can see here, it's the actual carry-on here. I purchased a bundle of the carry-on and the backpack. As you can see here, it's got a little pocket up here in the front. This is for you where you can put in a cell phone or boarding pass, something small that can fit in here. It's not very deep. Here's the main compartment here. As you can see, they're very large wheels here. Makes it easy to swivel. Good. Can go upstairs very quickly and over like cobblestone or brick. Here on the back is the Marlon. That's where the pocket here for the Powerbank sits in here, so that gives it the connected part. There are two USB-A connectors on here. That's covered by a little rubber flap telescoping handle here. So what I intend to do in this video is to pack a 3-day wardrobe in the carry-on. So having here, this is a Taskin packing cube. This has about 3 days worth of clothes in here. They've been rolled up, so I'm going to put that in here. So 2 shoes. I'm going to put the Taskin packing cube in here on top. Here in this compartment over here, you can put in things like a MagSafe adapter. You'll want to put in your computer accessories and probably these mesh pouches here, and I'll explain that a little bit later. I'm going to put in a toiletry bag here. Put in something like a Nintendo Switch in here as well. Light jacket. Even though it's summer, you never know. I'm just gonna zip this shut now. Okay. Let's try it now. Put something in the laptop and tablet holder. So in here, it's a very large 13-inch MacBook Pro from 2011. So I wanted to try to get the biggest that you could possibly ever want to fit inside of here. And as you can see, that's kind of snug in here. In the tablet pocket, I'm going to put in a little Kindle. This up, and as you can see, things are bulging out just a bit in here, so not going to be a lot more that you can get in here. So cell phone, you have to be careful there, don't want to have that to break. And as you can see, that's about what you can fit in there without using the compression system. So now I'll give you a little example of the compression system. So with the compression system, there are some additional zippers here that go around the perimeter. So the whole patented system here is that you would want to unzip the perimeter of the bag here. And then there are 2 little buttons here and 2 buttons here that you press in. And there's a slight problem with the one on the top, and you pull up from there. The one at the top doesn't open all the time when I press it, so I may have to press it a couple of times to actually engage it, but it does come up. So, and then you just open the top here, and then you can start to put additional things in. So let's just say I want to put in went on a trip and I found a bubble jacket that was on sale for winter when it's summertime. And there's also a pocket in here where you can put in like suits and dresses here. So, but I didn't pack earlier, I'm going to now put that in here. So into the suit pocket, I put in an actual suit here. Gonna zip this up. And so that gives it a little bit more of actual to pack more stuff into it without you having to get another bag. As you can see, you can get a lot in there. And so it uses the kiss, or the interlocking locks here, so you can put a combination lock on there. So from what you see here on the back is the connected part, and this is the Marlon USB connections here. There are two USB-A connections here, and behind this zipper pouch is a little power bank here. So it connects from here, so the two USB-A ports connect to this single USB A port here, and inside is a 10,400 milliamp hour battery, and that fits in this little pocket here. It comes included with this micro USB charger here, so when you need to top it back up. So I'm just going to insert this back into here. It actually came pre-charged, so it was actually charged up fairly nicely. So it's fairly easy to get in and out. So I'm going to connect up two phones here. So it's USB-A to USB-C cable here, as well as a USB-A to Lightning. iPhone is broken, and as you can see here, charging just fine. And then here with the USB cable, USB-A to USB-C, it's charging as well. I don't know if it's the fast charging or not, but it does say charging. Generally it'll say if it's charging rapidly or charging slowly, but right now it just says charging.